For Belle, what is something about yourself that you've outgrown recently?
Mm, ano? Grabe siya. Sabi niya parang lahat daw kasya pa sa akin. Grabe ka naman. Outgrown recently. Siguro, the old Belle was scared to try something new or to get out of her comfort zone. But now, may less fear and mas may confidence na siya.
Oh, mas may confidence na din si Belle. Actually, kitang-kita naman, I think.
Thank you.
Oo. Medyo mahihain si Belle before.
Yeah, before.
Diba? And then now, lumabas na yung diba? The real. Oo.
Wow, ikaw din gumiling no na.
Wow!
Di ba galing niya gumiling-giling sa
Yes, sample! Charis. Okay, thank you so much, Belle. And thank you as well to philstar.com. Maraming salamat. Next up, we have from John Bueno from Kamagkao. This is for Donnie. Okay. Donnie, you and Belle have been putting the work in promoting Tayo sa Wakas, going to mall shows like what you mentioned, ticket counters and screenings, and the fans love it. What makes this kind of promotion feel different for you?
It's just the fact we don't know when we'll be in that venue again together, you know, and that makes it very sentimental. But at the same time, it makes us appreciate the moment more because we all know where we are, we know where the supporters are, we know that, you know, parang nandun din yung mindset na, yes, we don't know when the next time is, but we can be grateful for what's happened in this moment. So yeah, that's what makes it different. But also, we've been having a lot of fun. Hindi kami sumusunod sa usual na route sa mall show na, di ba, yung isang kanta lang.
We get to
ganun.
play around.
We're playing around with it. We're having fun. We're trying to see, you know, what the crowd wants and
Yeah.
trying to give them a glimpse of our, you know, past projects all the way to now. So going back to memory lane, diba? Yeah. Making it a fun experience for everyone. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Cute, di ba? Sa mga your mall shows with also your co-stars dito sa Tayo sa Wakas. That's so exciting. At least it's nice to see na you guys are you guys are exploring more now, di ba, together. Thank you so much, Donnie. Okay, ito naman for Belle. Hearing the untimely siguro separation of your pairing must have been hard for the both of you and for your fans. So how are you coping?
Slowly, you know, it's hard to get out of something you've been doing for a long time. But I'm looking at the positive side of it na Donnie and I, through this, will grow. And we've been open about it, na whether we work together or not, we're very supportive of each other. And I'm just excited to see where this journey takes us. And I know that he's gonna do great and amazing things.
Ikaw naman, Donnie, do you have anything to say?
Yun din. And
Yes.
you. Yun ang sabi ko, and you.
Yes. Pero it's okay, diba? Again, we are very happy for you guys. We're excited to see where this path takes you. And we can't wait for your future projects, individually and hopefully next time, diba? When the perfect timing comes together ulit, diba? Yes. Diba? Sabi nila ng friends from the media natin, thank you, Donnie and Belle.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Love namin kayo lahat. Walang iiyak ha. Walang iiyak.
Tissue po, please.
Yes, baka may tissue po dyan. But thank you so much, Donnie and Belle. And thank you so much to John Bueno from Kamagkao. Ito naman, from Metro.style, for the both of you guys. This one. Did working on Tayo sa Wakas change the way you view relationships in real life? I think you guys said earlier, yes. So, siguro, let's say, real-life relationships. What is something that you learned from there that you'd like to put in sa relationships niyo?
Well, just of course the maturity and the growth of how it is to love someone, but also how much can I give to love give when I'm loving someone. Diba? Just how much can I sacrifice? I mean, it also made me question. And I think that's also one thing that yung mga nakapanood ng movie and yung mga papanoorin pa lang will ask themselves, how much are you willing to sacrifice for the person you love? Or how much are you willing to give up for them?
I love you too. Wow. Grabe yung ringtone na yan, ha? Words of affirmation every text,
Yes,
diba?
exactly. Aww.
Ang cute naman nun. Ayun, maganda yun. Kailangan may words of affirmation.
Yes.
Dapat i-remind yung isa't isa kung gaano nyo kamahal ng isa't isa. Hindi, pero ayun din, not finding yourself through another person. It has to come from within first. You cannot expect another person to fill that void, to fill you up, to complete you, because it really won't work.
Grabe, no? The level of sacrifice talaga, how much, again, are you not to lose yourself in a relationship because you finished yourself up. And actually, talking about love languages naman, Tony and Belle, what is your love language? Something that you learned. Siguro, di ba, you know how we're kind of born with love languages, but then after this movie, did it change? Like, na-change ba yung love language niyo?
Mas na-appreciate ko lang yung iba. Because parang it's a different form of of giving. You know, when you love fully talaga, diba? But then you also have to love yourself. So, mas umangat yung quality time. Because I think that's one of the things money can never buy, is time. And I think that's the best gift you can ever give someone. Because you'll never get that back, diba? Yun, quality time siguro yung umangat. Quality time, and I think acts of service, yeah. Showing that, you know, your actions also matter, hindi lang yung words. Yeah.
Interesting, no? Kasi dito sa Tayo sa Wakas, parang you guys started out very young, and then as the years went by, parang you guys explored different love languages in every era of your characters. So that's very interesting. Okay, thank you so much. We have individual questions for you guys also from Metro Dot Style. For Belle, okay, if you could write a song about Donnie, what is something you want to highlight about him, and what do you think the working title could be? Whoa.
Magsusulat po ako ng kanta.
Yes.
Bigyan niyo po ako ng mga 5 days.
Yes.
Maybe just his whole journey as an actor. You know, I've seen him grow so much from the very start since season 2 and now. Like, to those who've seen the trailer pa lang, you can really see how he's grown and how he's evolved to who he is now. Maybe the title would be The Man You Are.
Ganda. Feel ko #1 hit na yan sa Spotify. Love it. The Man You Are by Belle Mariana. Abangan natin yan, 2027. Wow.
Sige po.
Pressure!
Thank you. Magsulat ng kanta.
Diba? Truth.
Hindi, magaling ka kaya.
Hindi ko na natapos. Pero sana
Magaling,
matapos.
magaling magsulat.
Oo, super. Ganda pa ng boses.
Parang siya naman tanongin natin. Same question.
Ah?
Joke lang.
ito naman yung question for Donnie. Okay, ito. What kind of role do you think would be perfect for Belle next? And why?
Bida kontra bida.
Ay, yes.
Yan ang dream role niya. I really want to see that.
Gusto ko makita din yung kontrabida na Belle.
Diba? Kung ano yung magiging
Yes.
ayokong, parang ayokong ma-imagine, pero gusto kong ma-imagine. Kasi natatakot ako kung ganyan yung itsura niya, di ba? Isipin mo yung ganyang mukha, kala mo, sobrang bait, sweet siya, tapos magugulat ka, may hidden agenda. Yung ganon. Gusto ko makita yun.
Ikaw na magsulat.
Ay!
Gusto
Kasi
ko.
nasan yung camera? Yung main camera? Belle, pwede pasampulan ng isang kontrabida face. Ah! Isa pa. Dito. Saan mo yung camera?
Wala, dami na lang!
Okay. Belle in 3, 2, 1. May ba eyebrow?
Sige, yung...
I-reserve natin yan for
Hindi, yung
for
face
lunch.
mo lang pag hindi ka pa nagkakape tsaka kumakain, gawin mo nga ngayon.
Wow! Grabe siya. Parang may ganun ka din face pag di ka kumakain. Or wala
Ay.
Oo.
Diba? Mamaya yung next roles nyo, bida kontra bida. I love it. Thank you so much, Metro Dot Style, for your questions. Okay. Ngayon naman, let's head on over to Cinema 1. This one is for Belle. Okay. Ito, medyo, I wouldn't say heavy naman, but then, controversial, I would say.
Disclaimer, thank you.
Disclaimer. Who do you want want to see Donnie Pangilinan work with next and why?
First time yun,
I don't think I can name a specific person. I want to see someone who can reach his caliber as an actor. That, because he's really good. So, tapatan niyo yan.
Paano?
Ganyan. Hailey
Dalawa na,
Bieber.
di ba?
Dalawa na ba?
Eat and clock it.
Diba? Okay. Caliber of Donnie Pangilinan. Yan yung sagot ni Belle. Pero syempre, same question for Donnie. Who do you want to see Belle work with and why?
Jericho Rosales. Crush niya kasi. Ay, hindi ba? Kunyari ka pa? Hindi ko naman sinabing as a love team, di ba? Pwede namang kuya, o ganun. Bakit hindi ba?
Wala lang.
Namumula. Yun, I think si Kuya Echo, and yung mga vets maybe. Many of the vets. But I would agree, someone who can really still push her, to her limits. Kasi, ang taas na rin ni Belle Mariano, diba? So, someone who would really, look for that growth and stretch her more.
Gosh, grabe exciting, no, to see what the future holds for you guys. Thank you so much again to Cinema One for sending in your question. Okay, we have here last questions for you guys from Push. This one is for Belle. Okay. You call Donnie your soulmate, but soulmates in movies never just quietly take a break. What are you two really afraid of finding out about yourselves when you're finally apart?
Is this for me and her, or for Belle? Sorry.
Yeah, yun nga. Tama naman, you should live in fear. Like what Tony said. Maybe just the whole journey, and of course, when I said nga before, the whole parting is scary. It's a scary journey. But I know naman, after the tunnel, diba, there's light. So, yeah, you shouldn't live in fear. So I'm looking forward to what's next. Yeah.
So nothing naman about it seems scary to you or heavy? Of
No,
course,
it's
heavy,
scary.
yes.
Yes, it's scary, but we'll cross the bridge when we get there. I don't think we'll be in this position for just nothing,
Yeah.
Everything has a purpose.
And of course, at the end of the day, diba, parang it's all for growth. And at the same time, you guys are still there supporting each other anyway. So hindi naman talaga mawawala yung Donnie and Belle relationship and friendship that you guys have. Thank you so much, Belle. Okay, ito naman for Donnie. You cried saying goodbye to Belle on camera. What did you feel in that moment?
Umiyak ba ako? Parang hindi naman.
Malapit na!
Nandun na ako.
Yes. Okay, so what did you feel when the moment the camera stopped rolling? Did you feel relief, grief, or something that you still don't have a word for?
Well, before the press ko, nag-uusap kami, uy, walang iiyak ha, ganun, parang nagbibiro pa kami. Pero you can't really control those emotions, it just comes. I think it was a mix of just knowing this would or could be our last, press con for the time being. And then yun, thanking the press also, thanking our friends from the media, thanking our supporters. What did I feel? I just thanked her. Really gratitude. Yun talaga yun. More than anything. Just how blessed we are that we are able to be in this position and that we have gone through such an amazing journey together. Yeah.
Of course, parang a follow-up question lang for you guys. Thanking each other, of course, showing gratitude for all of the years that you guys have worked with together. Ano yung naging siguro conclusion nyo as Donnie and Belle? What made you guys say like, okay, I think tayo sa wakas should be our final project together?
Like what I said, everything happens for a reason. Just how beautiful the story is, and just the message of the story too. And also after 7 years of working together, parang this is the best film that would really, hopefully, mark our names as actors and actresses. So, sa mga hindi po nakapanood, panoorin niyo na po. Showing po tayo.
Yeah, I think it's just how perfect the story came, you know, in a time where we were already talking about this. But ang sabi kasi namin, we'll wait for the right project, we'll wait for the right storyline. Para maganda yung, parang yung hatid, di ba? So, yun, nung nabasa talaga namin yung unang draft, or even the pitch to us, when they were telling us, you know, the gist of the story, iba talaga siya, and sabi talaga namin, ito na yung perfect time. Yeah.
Grabe, yes. And parang it will really showcase you guys as actors. And not only actors, and also the people you are talaga.
Well, but honestly, Yana, more than that, kami second na lang yun eh. Or even third. It's really just creating a story where people can relate to,
Yeah.
and people can get a breather from everything happening right now, and a story that can touch hearts. You know, lalabas kayo ng sinehan, hindi niyo makakalimutan yung pinanood niyo. Kasi, you can always say, oh, maganda yun. Okay naman yun, di ba? Pero, yung mapapaisip ka for days and days after na, wait, ba't ako na apektuhan dun? Ba't parang may tama dun ng scene na yun? Ba't ang ganda ng line na yun? Ba't parang tumagos yun? Yung ganun. That's what we really want. So if we're able to, you know, have that, if we're able to successfully showcase that, then dun pa lang happy na talaga kami. Yeah.
Lasting impact and tapping into the hearts
Yeah.
of the Filipino, not only Philippines, but even the world. Kaya maraming salamat, Donnie and Belle. And thank you so much to Push. Of course, we have one last question for you guys. This is about the love team culture. Love team culture has vastly changed since you teamed. What do you think Donbell contributed to the difference of love teams back then until now? Ano ang legacy ng Donbell?
That just because hindi na kayo love team for the time being, it doesn't mean nawawala na rin yung support niyo sa isa't isa. Everlasting support, and you will always have a teammate in each other. I think that's the biggest thing we want to showcase. And we talked about this. We know there are going to be a lot of even love teams coming up that will probably look at the situation, and we want them to know that it's okay that you guys do other things too. You know, life shouldn't revolve around both of you just doing the same thing over and over again. There's so much more to that, and it can be healthy if done right, if communicated the right way. And yun, as long as you have a great support system, and at the end of the day, of course, a God who will give you your purpose, then it's gonna be okay. I'm not saying it's gonna be easy, but it's gonna be okay.
I agree. That's what I said earlier. Everlasting support. You know?
That's beautiful, diba? I think that's a beautiful way to end our Q&A portion. Maraming salamat. Again, palakpakan po natin Donnie Pangilinan and Belle Mariano. And thank you as well to our friends from the media for sending in your questions. But before I let you guys go, do you guys have any message to your supporters and any promotions, of course, for the movie Tayo sa Wakas? Go ahead.
We've been showing for 6
Text bilang
days.
po
di
siya.
ba?
Well, sa lahat ng mga nakapanood, thank you so much. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po ang mensahe ng napakagandang storya ng Tayo sa Wakas. And to our present media, thank you so much for joining us here. Thank you for your time. Sa mga hindi po nakakapanood, panoorin niyo na po ang Tayo sa Wakas kasi showing pa rin po kami.
Ayan po, sabay-sabay po tayong magmahal, masaktan, at mag-heal. Dito po sa Tayo sa Wakas. We are now on our 2nd week, so kita-kits po tayo sa mga sinihan. Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys, we love you all.
Thank you so much, Belle Mariano and Donnie Pangilinan. Of course, meron silang gifts for you guys.
Ayan para sa mga friends natin from the media.
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Okay, I
Yan ang
think
caps namin ni Belinda sa Tayo sa Wakas.
Tayo sa
Iyan
Wakas.
dapat meron ka rin.
Yes, please. Oh my gosh.
Meron dyan. Ayan.
Yay! Thank you so much po, Ate Ames. Thank you. OMG.